Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok username. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok and click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then you should see the edit option near the top right hand side. So you just want to tap on that. Then near the top you should see username. So you can just click on that. And this will just let you know usernames can contain only lowercase letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. You can change your username once every 30 days. So obviously if you want to change that around to something else, if it's not available, it'll give you this little message on here. So obviously you'll have to pick something else. And if it is available, you'll get the little green tick next to the name itself. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is select save. And that's how you can change your username. Thanks for watching.